Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making beef and bean tacos. It's a meal under 30 minutes and also a budget meal. The ingredients that we're going to need today are sea salt, ground cumin, chili powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, tomato paste, refried beans, corn tortillas, onion, salsa, medium cheddar cheese, shredded lettuce, and also a pound of ground beef. Okay guys, as you can see, I have all my ingredients measured out. So I shredded my medium cheddar cheese, have my shredded lettuce, 1 cup of the refried beans, 1 small onion diced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 pound of ground beef, and also my corn tortillas. In a small bowl, you want to add all of your seasonings. We're going to add our salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, our ground black pepper, our onion powder, and also our chili powder. And all you want to do is mix that until it's well combined. Now in a heated saucepan, you want to add your 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You're going to let that come to temperature. Now you're going to add in your onion, and you're going to let that saute for 3 minutes. And you're going to have this on medium heat. After 3 minutes, you want to add in your ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break that up. You want to make sure everything is well combined. Now you want to add in your seasoning to your meat. And just mix it until it's well combined. And we're going to cook our ground beef until it's all the way brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and turn off the heat, and we're going to remove it from our pan and drain it of all excess grease. Once you have drained all the grease from your ground beef, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Once again, you want your heat on medium, and we're just going to mix our tomato paste until it's well combined throughout our ground beef. Now we're going to add our 1 cup of refried beans. Now mix until well combined. Once you're done, you can remove it and place it in the bowl. Okay guys, next you want to get some olive oil in a small bowl. You're going to get you a baking sheet. And all we're going to do is coat the bottom of it with our olive oil. A thin coat will be fine. You want to set your oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm just going to heat up my corn tortillas. You could do this in the microwave if you choose to. We just want to make sure they stay flexible. Next we're going to fill our corn tortillas up. And all you want to do is fold it in half. Depending on how much you put into them, you can make about 14 tortillas. Okay guys, once you're done, you want to take a little bit more of the olive oil to your brush and just brush the tops. Now we're going to place them in our oven, 400 degrees for 14 to 15 minutes. Guys, when you put them in the oven, at the 7-minute mark, you want to flip them over. Okay guys, our tacos are out the oven, and all we're going to do is open them up and put some cheese, salsa if you like salsa, and some lettuce. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. It's still really hot, so I'm just going to do that for each one of them. Okay guys, so these are our oven baked beef and beans tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.